Artificial intelligence is everywhere these days. It's like the new cool kid on the block. But here's the thing, AI is only as smart as the data we feed it. Think of it like this. If you only eat junk food, you won't be very healthy, right? It's the same with AI. If we give it bad data, it will make bad decisions. AI learns from data. It uses data to understand patterns, make predictions, and solve problems. So the quality of that data is super important. Good data helps AI learn the right things and make smart choices. Imagine you're teaching a child to read using a book full of mistakes. They'll learn the wrong spellings and grammar, right? That's what happens to AI with bad data.
Using bad data for AI is like trying to build a house on a shaky foundation. It's just not going to end well. When AI is trained on bad data, it can lead to all sorts of problems. Wrong predictions. Imagine a weather app that predicts sunshine on a rainy day because it was trained on inaccurate data. Not very helpful, right? Biased decisions. If an AI system is trained on biased data, it might make unfair decisions. For example, it might unfairly reject loan applications from certain groups of people. Wasted resources. Cleaning up bad data takes time and money. It's much better to get it right the first time. Bad data can make AI systems unreliable and even dangerous. It's like giving someone the wrong directions. They'll end up lost and confused.
There are many ways data can go wrong. Here are some common culprits. Incomplete data. It's like trying to solve a puzzle with missing pieces. AI needs complete information to make good decisions. Inaccurate data, incorrect or outdated information can lead AI astray. It's like using a broken compass to navigate. Duplicate data. Too much repetition can confuse AI and make it less effective. It's like having a conversation with someone who keeps repeating the same thing. Inconsistent data. Data that contradicts itself creates confusion. It's like having two sets of instructions that say opposite things. These data problems can make AI's life difficult.